Okay, so this is how the windmill works. Go here, click farm, scroll down until you see the windmill here. And the windmill costs 15,000 to build, and it takes 5 wood. So click that. The workers will come out, go to the woodshed, and start building the windmill. So now that they brought the 5 wood, construction site is done. You click here. And in order for it to start producing something, you have to click the windmill, which it shows you that it costs $50 a minute to operate this. You click craft. So on the windmills, you can make flour, sugar, or salts. But for this example, we are making sugar. So you click make, and it takes 6 sugar cane and 3 wood. So we click that. The little guy runs out to the silo, which has sugarcane waiting, and he just runs back and forth until he fills it with 6 sugarcane. And the wood comes from the lumberjacks who are cutting down trees and will bring the wood straight to the windmills. And once the windmill is done making the sugar bundle, the worker runs it over here to this storehouse where it holds the sugar. And once you have 10, you can sell it. Click sell. The express depot and 10 sugar bundles sell for $31,500. But as you can see, it's grayed out because we don't have 10 yet. But once you do, you can sell it and yeah, get that much. So any other windmills that you make, you want to make sure it's 4 spaces away from another windmill, so the windmill runs at its fastest speed. So you always want to make sure the windmills are green. So if you want your windmill to run most efficiently, you don't want to place buildings too close to it that would cast shade on it. Every building will, if placed too close, will cast a certain amount of shade on the windmill, which will cause it to run slower. And if you want to learn more about the buildings and how much shade each building gives, then watch my other video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.